What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to customize your sidebars in your WordPress website. So as you can see, I've just started building this website and I've already customized this sidebar by removing all that category and recent comments section, and also I have inserted a hosting advertisement here that I have affiliation with. So I'll show you how you can do this, and you can customize this as per your requirements and your design requirements. So to do that, you will first need to access to your WordPress dashboard. So once you log into your WordPress dashboard, you will go to appearances, and from here you will hover over to widgets. This will take you to the widget section of WordPress, from where you can customize all the other the sidebars. So if you go here, this is how it would look. You can customize and add widgets to your sidebar, which is this one, the one I showed you, this one over here. And if you want, you can also add widgets to your left bar. If you have a left bar for this container, we don't have the left bar, but if you have a left bar here, left sidebar, you can customize that as well. And if you want to add some widgets to your header, you can do that by just clicking on this plus button here. I'll quickly show you how you can add this to the right bar. If I click on right bar here, okay, we will see that right now we only have this one and this one. So I'll go back, and if you want to add something new, you'll click on this plus button here. This will add a new block. Okay, so now you'll search for what you want to add. If you want to add an image, you'll just search for an image. You will either upload this image by clicking on this upload button here, or you can insert this image directly from the URL. So if I click on upload, okay, I can select this image here just for the demonstration. And if you want, you can also click on this link icon here and link this. For example, you want to link this image to some link, some affiliate link or some website, you can do that. And once you do that, every time somebody click on this image, they will be redirected, they will be taken to this website, the one you have inserted. Okay, that's how you can do it. If you want to write on the text, okay, write on the image, you can write a text on the image. If you want, you can crop it, and you can set the alignment here. You can drag and move this wherever you want based on the container size. Okay, and if you don't want to keep this block, you can click on this three dots and directly delete from here. If you want, you can copy or duplicate. So I'll delete this for now. Okay, and if you want, you can add another block, and if you want a heading, you can just write something here. For example, if you want this heading here, you'll write, and don't forget to update. And once you update, if you go back to your website and refresh, you should see these settings. You can see we have a paragraph here, a heading here. So based on your requirements, whatever you want on your website, on the sidebars, you can play around with this. I'll click on add block, and you can also add HTML codes. You can add custom HTML codes. Let's say you have a code, you can just directly paste it here, and those settings and that code will be displayed here. Not the code, but the actual result. Okay, you can use HTML custom code to add new features to your sidebar. And let's see what else it has got. You can add list, you can add paragraphs. If you click on browse all, you have all this option. You can also insert a video from the YouTube or from your media library, and you can also insert social media bars, social media icons. So there are a bunch of features that WordPress offers in widgets for sidebars. You can go explore that. I have shown you how this would look if you want to customize or just do a basic customization. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.